Have you noticed that some of the wealthiest people rarely show off their money, while many people trying to look rich constantly seek attention? True wealth often moves quietly, and there is a powerful reason behind it. Many financially successful people understand that wealth is built through discipline, patience, and smart money management. They do not feel the need to constantly prove their success because their confidence comes from stability, not validation. People who chase appearances often spend heavily on luxury items to impress others. Expensive cars, designer brands, and flashy lifestyles can create the illusion of wealth while hiding financial stress behind the scenes. Quietly wealthy people think differently. They focus on ownership, investments, savings, and long-term freedom. The concept of stealth wealth became popular because many millionaires actually live surprisingly normal lives. They may drive practical cars, wear simple clothing, and avoid unnecessary attention. Their goal is not to appear rich. Their goal is to stay financially secure. Another reason wealthy people avoid showing off is protection. Public displays of wealth can attract unnecessary pressure, fake relationships, jealousy, and even financial risks. Quiet wealth creates peace and privacy. Truly rich people also understand the value of delayed gratification. Instead of spending every dollar earned, they allow money to grow through investing and smart decisions. They understand that financial independence matters more than temporary status. This mindset shift can completely change your financial future. Stop trying to impress strangers. Focus on building assets, improving your financial education, and creating stability for the long term. Real wealth is not about looking successful for one moment. It is about having choices, freedom, and security for years to come. Often, the richest person in the room is the one nobody expects. If this video changed your perspective on money, subscribe for more wealth mindset content. Like this video, and comment below whether you prefer flashy wealth or quiet wealth.